Hey guys, Lego Mini Man 12 here, and today's a tutorial on how to do a Lego, dishwasher. That's what I'd call it. So I'll get the parts out on the thing. So these are all the parts. You can pause it if you want to do anything. We get all our bits and we start building. So you get these, stick them there. Then you get your vent, stick that at the back. You get your 1x3. Stick that there. You get your two 1x1s stacked. Stick that there. And you get your two 1x1s. Stick them there and there. You get a corner piece. Stick that there. Then you can get your door. Put that there. And get this bench piece. Stick that at the back. And this 2x4 flat tile, and stick that on there. So that is your dishwasher. Sorry, I'm running a little bit low on memory at the moment, so yeah, that's why it's a bit fast. So yeah, you can put all your cups and bits in there. Yeah, I did have a cup, but I've just lost it. So yes. So right then. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. Yeah, see you next video.